Identify the faulty LED module. Remove the 6 screws fixing the module. Open the power box. Unscrew the screws of the receiving card along with the screws securing the module behind it. Disconnect the colorful signal cable and the white 5V power cable. Carefully take out the defective module and position the new module correctly. Reconnect the colorful ribbon cable and the 5V power cable. Reinstall and tighten all screws inside the power box. Secure the module by tightening its screws. Reinstall the receiving card and fasten it with screws. Close the power box properly. The module replacement is now complete.